Mom steps in like a pro. See that one? It's called a macaw. And the girl's face? Priceless, like she just discovered a secret world. The animals that look like they've had a long day. Every enclosure has something to giggle at. Mother and daughter, hand in hand, exploring, learning, and laughing together. A simple day at the zoo, but a memory they'll talk about forever. And the best part? Her reactions. Those smiles, those little jumps of excitement, that's what makes days like this unforgettable.